All right, guys, this is round number 2, Flawless Football, single briefcase hit draft. Iwiza with the number 1 pick here. Congrats, guys. Hoping we can turn this into a real banger for you. Showcase this thing off on the Instagram accounts. There we go. I'd love to give away a bounty today. I'd love to give away a bounty. Oh, that's who that is. I was like, who in the world is that at first? Alright, we got a different name. That's a good thing. Different name. Alright, we'll start off with a jumbo patch. 3 of 15, Evan Ingram. Evan Ingram. Titans triple patch. This is Mariota, Davis, and Henry, number 3 of 10. $11 of 20. 3-color patch autograph, C.J. Beathard. $19 of 20. D.D. Westbrook. Rookie signatures. Number 5 of 5. Nice Steelers piece. Hines Ward. 2-color patch autograph. And we've got 2 of 5. Andrew Luck. Two of 5, Andrew Luck. And we'll finish the inner box with a 1 of 1 kicker autograph, and it is Dan Bailey. Dallas Cowboys. It's a pretty solid inner box. All right, and our encased Sapphire is 9 of 15, Jim Taylor. Big Ben Roethlisberger, number 9 of 15, Ruby. And Hall of Fame signatures, number 2 of 3, Joe Montana. Joe Cool. Alrighty. That will do it, guys. Iwiza, go ahead and draft away. No more pickers, all you. Appreciate it.